Air ducts causing excessive static pressure can totally wreck your home's heating and cooling efficiency, so you gotta know how to fix it fast. Okay, so first off, check if anything is blocking your air ducts. Like sometimes debris or even dust bunnies can build up and mess with airflow big time. Next, clean or replace your air filters regularly because dirty filters make your system work way harder than it should. Also, make sure your ductwork doesn't have any leaks or holes. Those sneaky gaps can cause pressure issues and waste energy. Don't forget to inspect the vents and registers. Sometimes they get closed off or blocked by furniture without you realizing it. If you notice certain rooms are way hotter or colder, that might mean uneven static pressure in your ducts. Balancing the dampers inside your duct system can help spread airflow evenly. Another thing is, avoid super long or complicated duct runs because they increase resistance and push up static pressure. Lastly, if you're not comfortable poking around ducts yourself, call a pro to do a thorough inspection and cleaning. One of the biggest mistakes people make with air ducts causing excessive static pressure is ignoring clogged filters. They choke airflow and stress your HVAC system, so swapping them out every 1 to 3 months fixes this quick. Another issue is duct leaks that let air escape before reaching rooms. Sealing those leaks with mastic or foil tape helps keep pressure steady. Lastly, people often forget about balancing their ducts. Without adjusting dampers or airflow settings, some rooms get way too much air while others barely get any. So tweaking those settings evens things out and lowers static pressure. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff on home repairs like duct issues. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a solid spot to find homeowners ready to hire someone reliable.